How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech. If you have AirPods, you have probably noticed that sometimes while using some apps, the mic quality is really bad. It seems like the mic really sucks, especially on some apps like WhatsApp and a few others. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix that and how to get a much better mic quality on your AirPods. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I have to tell you that the microphones on AirPods don't suck. They're not that bad. They're not perfect, but they're not that bad. And a simple test you can do is go ahead and record a voice message on the Instagram DMs. You'll see that the quality, the mic quality is very good actually. It's crisp, it's a great quality, and you won't have a problem. So what I'm trying to tell you here is the problem is not on the hardware, is not on the AirPods themselves, but on some applications that are just not as compatible, that for some reason don't really work well with AirPods and other Bluetooth headsets as well. And that's the case of WhatsApp. But even though they're not really compatible and they don't really work together, we can still improve this quality. We can still make it sound better. So what you're gonna need to do is actually go ahead and put on your AirPods. I'm gonna do it right now. So AirPods connected. All you have to do is go ahead and open up your settings and then tap on your AirPods preferences right here and then scroll down until you see microphone. And you can go ahead and try to change between automatically, which is the default option, to always right AirPod or always left AirPod. So I don't know if you know this, but the AirPods, they have microphones on both the right and the left earpod. So you can go ahead and choose here which microphone will actually pick up your voice when you're using AirPods. So always the right or always the left, because for those specific apps that are not really compatible, that don't really work that well, when we use automatically switch, for some reason, they sometimes don't work as well as when you manually choose. And as you'll be able to tell in this video, this is gonna be hit and miss. So what I recommend you to do is to go ahead and try those three options and see which one sounds best for you, okay? So I'm gonna leave it as always right AirPod because that's the best for me, okay? And the second thing you can do is actually pull down on the control center, tap and hold right here on your volume, and then tap on noise control and then choose off, like I'm using right here. Of course, you can choose it from the stems on the AirPods themselves as well. For some reason, when we have one of those other options enabled right here on our AirPods, it seems like the AirPods get confused because, as you probably know, transparency and noise cancellation, they use the microphones on the AirPods to actually cancel or amplify the external noise. And then on certain apps, like apps that are not optimized like WhatsApp and many others, it seems like they get really confused when doing that, when using microphones for those two modes and also recording your voice for the app or streaming your voice for the app. So then using it on off sounds better. It's a better option when using AirPods on those specific apps. And as you can see right here, I've tested every single combination, as you can see, on noise control and microphone left, right, and automatic, and every single combination possible, and that was the best for me. So noise control was off, and then it was better on the right microphone. But again, for you, it may be different. So what I'm trying to tell you here is until those apps actually do something about this and actually fix this, and we know they can based on various examples like Instagram and the native Apple applications, until they actually fix this, the only thing we can do is try and try and try those options. And then you can go ahead and do that option, record, and see if it sounds better for you. As I said, for me, I could definitely tell a difference. You won't be able to tell here through the microphone. I won't even try, so you will have to try it on your own, all right? But that's the best you can do. Sorry if it's not a definitive answer, a definitive fix for this issue, but again, that's the best all of us can do until those apps actually do their jobs, all right? So that's literally it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one as usual, guys. Bye-bye.